Yes. Square and square root. This is square and this is your square root. Okay. Square of 1. 1 into 1. That is 1. And square root of 1. Square root of 1. That is 1. Okay. Now square of 2. 2 into 2, it becomes 4. And square root of 4, what will be? 2. 2. Square root of 4 is 2. Square of 3.
9.
Yeah, very good.
9.
Yes.
9.
And square root of 9.
3.
3.
31.
Square root of 9. 3. Square of 4.
16.
And square root of 16.
4.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. Yes. And square of 5. And square root of 25. 5. समझ आ गया? समझ आ गया आपको सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, very good. Yes. Now finding square root by repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. Next topic is finding square root by repeated subtraction. Square root by repeated subtraction. Square root by repeated subtraction. Okay. Now square root of 81. Yes. Now we subtract. Now we subtract and okay. Repeated subtraction. Subtract odd number. Odd number. Okay. First. And we will subtract odd number till remainder is 0. हम क्या है odd number subtract करते रहेंगे. कब तक subtract करेंगे? जब तक क्या है आपका remainder 0 ना आए. Okay. 81 minus 1, that is 80. Next second. 80 minus next is 3. 77. Next we subtract
72.
Next we subtract 5. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. That is odd number. We will subtract 77 minus 5. It becomes
72.
okay. Very good. Yes. Now in fourth part. Yes. 72 minus 7. It becomes 65. Very good. Yes, very good. Now in next step. In next step, 65 minus 9.
9.
It becomes
56.
yes. In next step, that is 60. 56 minus 11. Yes. It becomes
45.
45. Okay. Yes. In seventh step. 45 minus 13. It becomes 32. Very good. In 8th step, 32 minus 15. 17. Any nine step? 17 minus 17 becomes 0. How many steps we have to use? How many steps we have to use? 9 steps. So square root of 81 is 9. Because we have used 9 steps. हमने इस 9 steps यूज किए, तो इसका जो square root है वो 81 का वो 9 है. Any problem? Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
किसी
No, sir.
कोई doubt का problem?
No, sir.
Okay, do it fast. Do it fast. Okay. Yes. What exercise 6.3? Come on exercise 6.3. What would be the possible ones digit of the square root of each of the following number? Square root. Okay. 9801. 9801. The square of 1. Unit digit is 1. Square of 1 is 1 and the square root of 1 is 1. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. What could be the possible one digit of the square root of each of the following number? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Exercise 6.3.
No, sir. Visible.
December fast. December fast.
Me.
Okay. Yes. December fast. Number.
Sir, is it necessary to subtract the square number with the odd numbers?
Yes. Number. Number is 9801. Unit digit. Unit digit.
Sir,
1. Square. Square of unit digit. Square of unit digit. Square root. Square root. Square root of unit digit. Square root of unit digit.
Third one.
Okay. Yes. Square of unit digit. 1 square. 1 into 1. 1 into 1, 1. And square root of 1 is 1. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. The second part 99,856. 99,856. Unit digit is 6. Square of 6 is
36.
36. And square root of unit digit 6. 6. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Now next is fourth part. The fourth part is
My God,
unit is 5. Square of 5 is 5 into 5, 25.
25.
And square root of 25 is 5. Okay? Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Do it fast. Okay, do it fast. the numbers ending with 2, 3, 7 and 8. 2, 3, 7, 8.
Sir, 2, 3, 7.
8 is not a perfect square number. Is not a perfect square number. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
question number 2, first part. 153 is not a perfect square.
Not a perfect square because it has 3.
Is not a perfect square
Because it ends with 3.
because unit digit
It ends with 3.
of 153 is 3. 153 is 3. Okay. Now, third part. Can you do it? Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes,
question
sir.
number 3. Question number 3. Can you do it? Can you do the question number 3 as a repeated subtraction?
Yes, sir.
As a repeated subtraction. Okay. Now, question number 4. Find the square root of the following number by using prime factorization method. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Varsa Yadav, any doubt, any problem? Sanskruti, Risu, Kursi Kumari, Ashish Kumar Yadav, K. Prabhakaran, Kshitish Kumar Singh, Kshitish, adjust your camera.
Subtraction. Is it
No
necessary
problem, sir.
to add the number with odd numbers?
Yes.
Sir, repeated subtraction, is it necessary to
Subtract odd numbers?
odd
Yes.
numbers?
Yes, it is necessary, it is compulsory to subtract odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. We will subtract it till the answer is not equal to 0. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Question number 4, first part. Question number 4, first part. Find the square root of the following number by prime factorization method. Okay. 729. 729. Prime factor of 729. Prime factorization of 729. Prime numbers. Please divide the 729 by prime number. That is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. So please divide it. It is not divided by 2. Why?
Sir, because it does not end with an even number.
Yes. If it is end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that is divisible by 2. Now add the digits. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 comes in table of 3. So it is divided by 3. Okay. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Next. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 is also divided by 3. So this number 243 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Next is 3, 27. Next is also 3, 9. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay? Yes. Now 729. Yes. Square root of 729. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now pairing the like factors. हम क्या जो like factor है उनकी pairing करेंगे. Pairing क्या है? Same two like factors. 3 and 3. That is pair. Same factors. Like factors. Pairing of like factor 3 into 3. Okay. हम क्या है जो like factor है 3 3 है, like factor है इनकी pairing करेंगे. जो pairing होगी एक एक करके बाहर आती है. Pairing से क्या है एक होके बाहर आएगा. How many pairing? 3. 1 2 3. 3 right 3. 3 these are 9, 9 these are 27. This is the answer. Square root of 729 is 27. Any doubt, any problems?
No.
No, sir.
किसी को कोई डाउट प्रॉब्लम इसमें? Do it
No,
fast.
sir.
Okay, do it fast.
No, sir.
Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, question number 4, third part. One thousand seven hundred sixty-four. 1764. Prime factor of 1764 divided by 2. 2 8 are 16. 2 8 are 16. 2 2 are 4. Okay. 2 8 are 16. 2 8 are 16. 2 2 are 4. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now divided by 2 again because the unit digit is 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2.
114.
Okay. Now it is not divided by 2. Why?
Because unit digit is 1.
Okay. Now 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 4 9. 9 come in the table of 3. So whole number 444 is divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 7s are 21. 3 4s are 12. Okay. 3 9s are 27. 7 7s are and 7 1s are 7. Okay. Now square root of 1764. Square root of 1764. It becomes 2 into 2. 3 into 3 and 7 into 7. 2 into 3 into 7. Okay. 6 7s are 42. 6 7s are 42. Any doubt, any problem? Pairing of like factors. Pairing of like factors. 2 and 2 like factors. 3 and 3 like factors. 7 and 7 like factor. Like factor means एक जैसे factor. 7 और 7 कैसे है ना? है भाई?
Yes,
Like
sir.
factor means क्या होता है? एक जैसे जैसे 2 and 2 like factor. 3 and 3 like factors. 7 and 7 like factors. क्या करेंगे? Pairing करेंगे. क्या करते हैं? Pairing. Pairing of like factors.
तो फिर
Pairing. और pairing में क्या होता है? एक बन जाता है. जब स्क्वायर रूट से बाहर आता है. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Do it fast. Do it fast. Have you done?
Done.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, question number 4, sixth part. Question number 4, sixth part. 9604. 9604. Yes, 9604. That is divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 0 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 0 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 0 that is 1. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 0 2 2s are 4. Now next 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 0 that 2 1s are 2. 4 plus 2 6 or 1 7. 3 not divided by 3. By which number 2401 divisible? 7 7 7 3 जा 21 7 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा 7 3 जा 21 ओके 3 remainder 7 4 जा 28 and 7 3 जा 21 okay now 7 4 जा 28 7 9 जा 63 7 7 जा and 7 1 जा 7 okay 9 now 9604
Sir, 2
2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 okay 2 into 2 7 into 7 into 7 into 7
Sir, 40 I want to
2 into 7 into 7 14 कैसे आएगा चेक कीजिए 2 7 जा 14 14 7 जा 98
98.
yes have you done
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay
Yes, sir.
yes question number 4 10th part question number 4 10th part have you done
Yes.
Yes.
okay question number 4 10th part
Excuse me, sir.
yes
सर हम जैसे सॉल्व कर लेते हैं टाइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड के बाद उसके बाद हमें उसको अंडर रूट में लिखना जरूरी है हम डायरेक्ट नहीं समझ सकते कि अगर 2 बार हुआ तो उसको सिंगल टाइम में है
नहीं स्क्वायर रूट में आएगा तभी तो पेयरिंग होगी विदाउट स्क्वायर रूट पेयरिंग कैसे कर सकते हो कब बाहर आएगा बाहर आ ही नहीं सकता है बिना स्क्वायर रूट के तो स्क्वायर रूट का सिंबल लगाना बहुत जरूरी है यू हैव टू अप्लाई द स्क्वायर रूट सिंबल नेसेसरी ओके
यस सर ओके सर
ओके यस yes find factorization of 8100 2 4s are 8 0 0 2 5s are 10 and again 0 okay 2 3 3 6 are 18 3 6 are 18 2 3 7 are 21 3 5 are 50 3 2 are 6 3 2 are 6 3 5 are 50 3 7 are 21 3 5 are 50 okay now square root of 8100 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 1 2 3 4 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 2 3 are 6 6 3 are 18 18 5 are 90 yes any doubt any problems
नो सर
okay do it fast
डन सर
now question number 5 is okay very good
Sir, your fault.
now question number 5 is for which of the following number find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied by which smallest number it should be multiplied to make it a perfect square number also find the square root of the square number so obtained okay question number 5 first part 252 by which number 252 252 is not a perfect square by which number 252 is multiplied so that it becomes a perfect square number. To solve it, first of all, we will factorize. We will factorize. Prime factorize it. 252. Prime factorization of 252. First of all, we will divide by 2. Why? Why?
Sir, because it ends with 2.
Okay. Unit digit is 2, so it is divided by 2. Okay. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 6 are 12. And are any problems? Again divided by 2.
No, sir.
263, 126, that is 63. Okay. Now it is divided by 3, that is 21. Again divided by 3, that is 7, and 7 another 7. Okay. It is not a perfect square. 252 can be written as 202, now 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Okay. Now make the factors of like terms. It is not a perfect square number. Why? Because 7 is unpaired. 7 यहाँ पे क्या unpaired है. To make it perfect square, we will pair of like factors. Because it is not a perfect square because 7 is unpaired. 7 यहाँ पे क्या है unpaired है. हैं? 252 is not a perfect square number. Perfect square number. Perfect square number because 7 left unpaired. 7 left because 7 left unpaired. Okay. Left unpaired. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास कितने जो 7 है उसकी कमी है. किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इसे? प्लीज टेल मी.
सर, एक 7 और चाहिए.
एक 7 और चाहिए. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. We have to require 1 7 more. To make a perfect square, we will multiply it by 7. To make it perfect square number, देखिए यहाँ पे to make it perfect square number 252 square number 252 is multiplied multiplied with 7. So smallest number that is multiplied, that is 7. Okay, is 7.
Okay, sir.
Now 252 multiplied 7. Okay. Now 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 and 7 into 7. Okay. Now 7 to the 14, 1 carry, 7 5 are 35, 35 or 1, 36 3, 7 to the 14, 14 or 3, 17. Square root. 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 7 into 7. Pairing of like factors. So it becomes 2 into 3 into 7. 6 7 are 14. Okay. Smallest number that is perfect. Smallest number that is multiplied by 8, that is 7. And square square root of perfect square number, that is 42. 42. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Yes, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, can you do it? Can you do it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Question number 6.
Yes,
Question number 6. Question number 6. May I erase it? In question number 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In question number 6, for each of the following number, find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided. So as to get a perfect square number, also find the square root of the square number so of that. इसमें डिवाइड करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में क्या करना है? मल्टीप्लाई करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में डिवाइड करना है. ओके,
Please scroll it up.
हमने कर दिया इसको. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, second part. By which number it should be divided so it becomes a perfect square number? 2925. Okay, first of all make the prime factorization it. 2925. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 9 7 plus 9 16 plus 2 18. 3 9s are 27, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 50. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Okay, now it will not divisible by 3, it is divisible by 5. 5 6 are 30, 5 5s are 25. 5, that is 13. Now prime factorization of 2925 is 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 30. Okay, now 3 into 3, 5 into 5, and 13 left unpaired. 2925, it is not a perfect square number. It is not a perfect square number. Why?
So because 13 is left unpaired.
Because 13 left unpaired. To make it perfect square, it should be divided by. To make it perfect square number, it should be divided by 13. Okay, it should be divided by 13. Now 2925 divided by 13, and next is your 3 into 3, 5 into 5 divided by 13. 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 13 divided by 13. 30 to 13 cancel out, it becomes 100. It becomes 100. Okay,
Yes, sir.
2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Pairing of same factor, that is 2 into 5. That is 9. Okay. Any doubt, any problems?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Please scroll up. Done, sir.
7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 5 6s are 30, 5 5s are 5 5. 9 is 25, 9 is 125. Okay, okay. 225 आएगा, sorry. 225 over time. 2 and 2, 3 and 3 है. Okay, sorry, that is 3 and 3. Okay. It is 3 and 3. Three and 3 है बात. 3 into 3, okay? 3 and 3.
हाँ,
And
3
into 5, 15. It becomes 225. 225. Okay? And now any problems? And now any problems?
No, sir.